next example, sorry, next important question, not example, important question. Now let Pn be the statement given by, now what we are going to prove this time, by the induction x raised to power n minus y raised to power n is divisible by x minus y and x minus y is not equal to 0. This is given to us. Now step 1. That is the basic step. It is for n is equal to 1. Now P1 x raised to power 1 minus y raised to power 1 is equal to x minus y. Now which is divisible by x minus y, thus P1 is true. First thing. Step 2, the induction step. Now it is for n is equal to k. Is it clear? Now assume n is equal, sorry, assume pk is true, or whatever I was writing, assume n is equal to k is true, one and the same thing. Okay. Now then what we are getting? We are getting now x raised to power k minus y raised to power k is divisible by x minus y. To this what we can write it? X raised to power k minus y raised to power k is equal to x minus y with lambda. Now here instead of m I have taken lambda, where lambda is equal to n. Is it clear? So this can now, this will become x raised to power k is equal to x minus y with lambda plus y raised to power k. Is it clear? Now step 3. For n is equal to k plus 1. Now p k plus 1, this is equal to x raised to power k plus 1 minus y raised to power k plus 1. Now splitting the powers, x raised to power k minus y raised to power k with y. Now x raised to power k we are taking from step 2. So this becomes now x minus y with lambda plus y raised to power k this whole with x, this x negative of y raised to power k with y. Now opening the brackets, x minus y with lambda, this with x plus y raised to power k with x plus minus y raised to power k with y. Now x with x minus y with lambda plus y raised to power k x minus y. X minus y with x lambda plus y raised to power k. Which is divisible by x minus y. Therefore, p k plus 1 is true. Thus, p n is true for n is equal to k plus 1. And the last simple line, since pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true. By the principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n where n belongs to natural.